This is the skeleton of a future road machine.
Every body is coated to prevent rust for years. Every car begins as raw steel, thousands of tons entering the factory every single day. Computer-controlled lasers cut steel with extreme precision. These machines use thousands of tons of pressure to shape car bodies. Robots weld the car frame with millimeter-perfect accuracy. This is the skeleton of a future road machine. AI scanners detect even the smallest defect. One dust particle can ruin the paint. This room is perfectly controlled.
Robots paint faster, smoother, and more consistently than humans.
Heat locks the paint into the metal forever. The heart of the car is installed with robotic precision.
Suspension decides comfort, control, and safety.
This system transfers power from engine to wheels.
Designed for performance, sound, and emissions control.
A single car can contain over 3 kilometers of wiring. Modern cars are computers on wheels. Comfort is installed with robotic accuracy.
This is where driver and machine connect.
Now the car can finally stand on its own. Every drop is measured with precision. The car is tested digitally before touching the road.
Performance is tested before real driving.
The final approval is done by human experts.
Now it officially becomes a brand new car.
Showroom-ready perfection. Thousands of cars leave this factory every week.
These cars are shipped across the world. Next time you see a car, remember, it was born here.
Robots install the windshield with perfect alignment. Each door is tested for smooth opening and sealing. Lighting systems are tested for brightness and alignment. Every window is tested hundreds of times. Taillights ensure visibility and safety. These parts absorb impact during accidents. These parts absorb impact during accidents. Mirrors are tested for vibration and clarity. Modern cars rely on cameras more than human eyes.
Thousands of lines of code bring the car to life.
This test simulates years of road damage.
Aerodynamics decides speed and fuel efficiency.
Even tiny sounds are detected and fixed.
Cars must meet strict environmental rules. Water resistance is tested before real storms. The car gets its first bath.
Each car gets a unique identity number.
No drivers, only automated control systems.
This is not just manufacturing, it's precision engineering.
The fuel system is installed to deliver power safely and efficiently.
Without the battery, nothing in this car would work.
This system controls temperature in every season.
Airbags are the car's hidden life-saving system.
Airbags are the car's hidden life-saving system. Seatbelts are tested for instant locking power. Perfect alignment is critical for safety and aerodynamics. Each lock is tested thousands of times. Clear vision is non-negotiable. Proper alignment ensures smooth and safe driving.
This simulates real highway driving.
The car must stop instantly when needed.
Even tiny rattles are unacceptable.
Final software updates optimize performance. Every reflection reveals paint perfection.
Legal and safety labels are mandatory.
This protects the car during transport.
Another perfectly engineered car leaves the factory.
Every car begins as raw steel arriving at the factory.
High-powered lasers cut metal with perfect accuracy.
These presses shape the car's body using extreme force. Robots weld the frame with millimeter precision. Robots weld the frame with millimeter precision. This coating protects the car from rust for years. Robots paint the car smoothly and evenly. The engine is the heart of the car. The interior combines comfort and technology.
Every car is tested before leaving the factory.
From raw steel to road-ready machine.